Welcome back, guys. If you are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on that subscribe button, like and share. So this was our analysis we did. I told you that gold will definitely give us that bullish move. You clearly can see it. You saw it has eventually given us that bullish move. I mean, this was the analysis we did yesterday. If you've not watched it, you can go back to go and watch it. I told you that gold will definitely give us that bullish move that will take out this previous high, thereby forming a new higher high. And this is exactly what gold has done. Gold has given us a new higher high. So what are we going to be expecting next? We will go into that. But before that, make sure you follow the Telegram channel. I'll put the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. And also make sure you click on that subscribe button if you have not done that yet. Now, if you take a look at this, right, you can see that gold, we are actually on an uptrend move. We are going bullish. We all know that on a bullish move, we tend to have a series of higher high and an higher low. So this is the higher high here, and here is our higher low. This is the higher high here, and here is the higher low. This is also the higher high. You can see that this higher high took out this previous high, right? And here comes the higher low, and I told you that a new higher high needs to play out on gold that will take out this previous high, and it has done that. Now, with that movement, we should now be expecting a pullback on gold. Now, if you go to your 4-hour time frame, you can see that this is a massive bullish move. A massive ride has already been made. So what you should be expecting now is a pullback. That is what you should be expecting. So I should be expecting that pullback to a level of probably 3721. This is where I'll be expecting a pullback. We are likely to drop below it. Let's expect that pullback to a level of 3721. So a pullback is what you should be aiming for. Remember, do not hop in on the buy. The buy has already been made. This was where you would have possibly entered the buy, or possibly here. These are the two levels you possibly would have entered the buy. Now the buy has been made, so definitely do not go in for the buy. Wait for the pullback. Once the pullback plays out, then you can now start contemplating on the buy. So follow the Telegram channel. I'll put the link in the comment section.